Hi everyone, welcome to daily stock market analysis with Suman. Today's date is 15th April 2025. So let's start with the good news that FIIs have bought 6,000 crores today. So obviously somebody is buying, somebody has to sell. So DI has sold 2,000 crores today. So it's good news. As we have done the analysis in the weekly stock market analysis, which was released yesterday, this whatever the development has happened according through Trump, which is very good news for India, and that is why I think DIS are also FIS are also coming. Let's see whether they keep on coming or not every day. Okay, so whatever the analysis we are making, we need to start with the sectors, right? So here in the sectors, there are lot of places we can see the sectors. First, let's see the sectors in the trend line, equity place, right? So we will see only five sectors here. Okay, so first sector is obviously fertilizers, right? So here lot of good stocks are there. Coromandalam is a really good stock, right, which comes into our system also if I see the trading view. And again the system has been uh, system I am referring to already has been discussed in the weekly stock market analysis video. So if I search Coram Mandal, so we are looking for stocks, right? CO or Coromandel, right? Yeah, really good stock. It is hit an all-time high and it is going up and up and up, right? So yeah, let's see in fertilizers only. I like this one, and then Pradeep Phosphate also. Well, let me just see who are the highest. So all the phosphates, right? Rama phosphates, Pradeep phosphates is the second highest winner here. So let me just check Rama phosphates, but it is like penny stock, so I will keep away from it. My rule is like I will buy only the stocks which are above 2000 crore market cap, right? So especially in this kind of scenario, we should not be having this. So Pradeep Phosphate, Coromandel also we have, right? And then do you have anything good? Krishna Foschem, right? Okay. Chambal fertilizers again good, right? So which are already there in our Balaji phosphate. So as I was telling, so this is one of the best winner, that is fertilizers. Okay, that is great to know. So and we have some players also in second one is reality. Reality was like falling sector, and now it is starting come out, right? So let me just remove it. Higher time frame. So Supreme Holdings, okay, we are not going to see this. Valor Estate, let's see what's happening in Valor Estate, whether it will come in our system or not. Valor Estate, DB Realty. Okay, let me just refresh it out. Okay, it has been flat. I don't like this a little bit also. Okay, so it is downtrend, it is still in the downtrend, it is trying to come out. Let it come out of in the at least in the monthly chart, as the we discussed in the system. Both should be green, right? This one should be coming green, like from below, like this. Both should be green, which is not satisfying. So I will be out of this one. Let's see any other things are there, stocks are there in the reality. I had one stock called Nirlon. So what is this macro tech developers? Let's see what happening here. Macro tech developers. Oh, Loda. Okay. So again, this is red. So I am not participating in this. Okay. So let's see whether we have something. So all are in down in the last 3 months. So I am not checking Coruscant. Okay. Up, but penny stock. So not interested. Right. Let's go down. All are penny stocks. Not interested, not interested, not interested, not interested, not interested. So something signature global, not interested. It is, I think it will not come in. Okay, in reality also we don't have any. But fertilizer sector is the sector which is very promising. I have a lot of players here like NSCL and all, Coromandalam and NSCL and all those things. General industries. What is this? Let's see. Okay, here let's go from daily high, right? So Imco, oh, no. Shiley Engineering and Plastics. Okay, this is exporting to America, plastics. So yeah, this is a good stock. Right? So let's go down. Yeah, DDO Plastics. Okay, let's see what happens here. But seems like lot is D-Day Plastics. Nothing is there here, so it doesn't come into our system. So I am staying out of it. This one. Okay. So here, Mazgan Dop Shipbuilders. Okay, this one went up 9% today, and it comes into our system. Mazgan dot. So it is green here also in the monthly also. Here also it turned green now only, right? Which is really good sign. And if I go to weekly time frame also, it is forming a new high, right? So yeah, this looks good. 1 year it was in the consolidation. I think 1 year it was in the consolidation. Now it is breaking out. So I am happy to participate in this one. And disclaimer, I am having that. Okay. So let's see any other things are there. Krishna defines defense allied. So generally, I am not interested in the stocks which are less than 2K. But there is one channel, YouTube channel called SOIC. I am very fond of that channel, and he talks about this stock, Krishna Defense and Allied. So let's see whether it comes into our system. If it comes, we'll see this one. Krishna Defense and Allied. Okay, in weekly it is good. In monthly it hasn't yet came out of this one, so we need to wait. Okay. Again, what is this indicator? How to put this indicator? You can check in the weekly, which was released yesterday. That is 14th April, right? So next, any other ice make refrigeration, again a great stock. Let me just check this one also whether it is coming to our system or not. Oh, looks like in monthly it has formed, weekly also. Okay, cool. This ice make is in our system. So let me just open the document. So not this one, right? I will put ice make into the this one, ice make. Okay, so I need to put it here. Generally, maybe I may think of doing this. Okay. So generally I have a document where I keep all these things which are coming to our system, but I missed this one, so I will keep it. Okay, king for science. Well, let's see, this is also something, king for science. So in weekly it has, this looks good, but in monthly it is red here, so I'm not interested. Supreme Industries. Okay, Rosal, Bharat Dynamics, right? BD, Bharat Dynamics. Okay, let's see this one. Dynamics, BDL. Okay, so it is green here, but it has to come green here also. That is when our system will be. So we will consider it to be. But again, a very good stock. So let's see, once it comes into our system, we may think of using it out. So we went into 3 sectors. Generally we went into 5 systems. So let's go to next 2 systems also. So here, what is this sector? Telecommunication equipments related stuff. Okay, let's see. Frog, not interested, not interested. Let's see, anything is there which comes into our, all are red only, so yeah, let's not worry about that. Healthcare and equipment, oh, again another one good stock, good sector to be precise. Yeah, Tarsan products, okay, Tarsan products, let's see what is the story here. TAR, Tarsan product. Okay, generally it was in the stage 4, it was going down, it is coming out of that stage 4. So let it, I think it is almost coming up. Let's let it come it out, up little bit up, then we may think of buying it out. Okay, so next, let's see what are the other players are there. Down, down, everybody is down. Medplace, okay, let's see what is the story in Medplace. Medplace, okay, again it is red here, so it doesn't come into my system, so I will not check it out. Okay, my place is gone. Okay, let's see whether do we have any other sectors. Nope. So we covered all 5 sectors, I think. 1, 2, 3. Fertilizers, I love it. I am buying it out here. General industries also here, also some Masdaq and all, some good stocks are there. BDL and all. BDL, it not in our system. I think we put one stock also. Which was it? Ice Make also. Okay. Yep. Ice Make is also a good stock. So let's see. Yeah, telecommunication, which is not that much good. Healthcare, yeah, fine. Okay, and I have a sector here also, sectors list here. So let me just go through what are the sectors which are doing good here. Okay, let's come from, all the sectors have been, no, going up, that is good. So first of all, realty, we checked the realty stocks, we are not getting any realty stocks as of now, so stay away from this. Nifty auto is also on another good sector. Auto sector is good, so I think, but auto sector went into stage 4 like that, all the stocks went into down. So if you see here, it went into down, so now it is trying to come up. So from in our system we will not find anything. Same happened with realty also, it fell down, now it is trying to come up, right? So here small cap, mid cap, all are giving good results. Financial services, Bajaj Finance, Chola Finance, see, this is what I like, right? So if I go and check in here also, let me just go to indices, right? So if I say financial services index, see here it is giving the entry for me. According to my system, it is green here, green here. This month only it is giving me entry, in month also, yeah. So there are a lot of Chola Mandalam stocks are there and all those things which we need to go into, see what are all the stocks are there inside this one also, this financial services stocks, right? You will find lot of good stocks like Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Chola Mandalam, all those things. So let me just list out, let me just open our docs. Okay, open, I think I have it here. Yes, here I have. Okay, so let me just create one thing. Sectors, hands on, first sector will be the fertilizer sector. This is the best sector to be in this stage. Realty, no, from stage 4 it is coming. General industries, good. Healthcare and equipment, general industries, Healthcare. I don't know this sector is there or not. I think hospitals are doing good today. Hospitals also I like. Apart from that, finance and banks, I think HDFC Bank also did really well today. Right? This sector is looking really good. Okay. So where were we? Let's come back. Okay, financial service. We are seeing again the realty, auto, right? Financial services, bank, and infra. Right? Infra, if I see, it was going down and it is coming up. So no, right? So bank is like it was in the consolidation. It is going up. So this is good. So finance and banks. So these sectors looks very good. You can pick the start seeing the stocks from these sectors, and then we can buy it out, right? So next place where we can do the research is again we need to go into the trend line top gainers. Let's see which are all stocks are there who did really well today, and we'll see only 25 stocks. Okay, Sai Life Science, which came up 15%. Let's see what happening here. So Sai Life, we need to see the stocks. Sai Life Science Limited. It doesn't come into our system. It should have monthly things and all. It is not coming into our system, so I'm not buying it out. Intellect Design Arena. I think this will be in stage 4. Means no, not buying zone. Design Arena. Yeah. So here in the weekly, I should not be in the weekly. I should be in the monthly. So in monthly, we are in the stage 4. Both here and here red. Let it become green like this. When it becomes green like here and here, we will start buying and we will make a lot of money. But right now, no. Okay. Data patterns. Okay. Data patterns. I think this is also in stage 4 and it is coming out of it. Right. Two things. If somebody is not into the system, they want to get the early buy. They are trying to see that. You can see here. Okay, minute it crosses this thing, and start buying out. Here already given the buy signal. So yeah, but I am very strict about the rules. So yeah. So data patterns looks good. Valor Estate, again some stock from the real estate, right? So let's see what happening here. What is the story here? Valor Estate. I think we saw Valor Estate already. In weekly, it is really good. If somebody wants to play it in the short term, they can obviously play it out. But I am not a short term guy. I want in long term, higher time frame also it should be positive, which is not. So I am out of this, right? And then comes Akums Drug and Pharma. Let's see what is happening here. Akums Drugs and Pharma. No entry. So yeah, this stock is not even monthly and all. It doesn't have that much history, so I am not going with it. PTC Industries. Let's see what happening here. PC Industries. Okay, here it is green, but below again we are not having. So let me just fast track this journey. Mazdak, again we saw it is coming into our system very well. We love it. Okay, HFCL. Okay, let's see what is this HFCL. Yeah, it is in the stage 4, so not buying it out. Anantraj stage 4. Kane Technologies. Okay, this is related to EMS space. There is no tariff for EMS space. That is the really good news. So that is why it is happening. It is red here in the monthly, but minute it crosses the red thing, we can start buying. In the monthly, it has given the buy. Actually, for EMS sector, you can check in the monthly also. You can start buying, right? So here, as you can see, how much good move it gave here. 3,000 from that made doubled in some period of time, and generally I would have 80% move in very less period of time. So I think we can keep Kane's technology in our. So generally we added here one stock, right? Let's see which one was that. Ice Make, right? Let me just put the Ice Make here also. Ice Make. Generally EMS space, you don't need to see the monthly chart. You can just use you know uh, weekly chart, that is enough. IREDA, right? Indian Renewable. I think the results are very good. Yeah, so it is in the stage 4, so not buying it out. Okay, it fell like hell. Maybe the recovery may be happening, I don't know, but I am not interested in this. Okay, so what next? Let's come back here. Macro tech developers, we saw Samardana, Motherson, again auto sector related stock. I think it is in the downtrend, no use to see. AD Parry, let's see what is happening here. Parry, okay, it we have to wait a little bit. Motherson, Samardana, Motherson, so let's see what happening here. Stage 4, as I mentioned, it was in the stage 4. 361, at 361, again in the stage 4. Let's not check this one also. KEC International, let's see what happening here. KEC International, okay. Newland Laboratories, pharma related stock. Newland Laboratories, again now only it is in the downtrend. Let's see how it plays out, whether it is fertilizers related stock. Okay, Sona BLW, let's see what happening here. I think it's not, it doesn't come into our system. Fall like hell, is going up now, but yeah. Okay, BLS, I think it is also in the stage 4. BLS, yep, it is. Now only it has fallen, so let it recover back again. Home First Finance, again I think this is into finance sector which we were talking. Okay, which is good. Let's see what happening here. Okay, here it is green, but here we have to wait a little bit, but good price value action. So let's see what happens, right? Bharat Forge, I think we saw already, it is in the stage 4. Okay, it is in the stage 4. Stage 4, it is going down. Let the trend to be converted back again, then we will see. LG Equipments, again in the stage 4, no need to buy. Prestige Estates, in the real estate which we are talking, huge sell off has happened. Let it recover. What else, right? Indusland Bank, okay, banking stock. Let's see what happening, what is the story here. So generally from this research we did, I think one stock we found which is really good, Ice Make, and you can put Canes also into your bucket if you want, right? So all Shaili and these things were already there. So yeah, right. I think this is what we find out, and we already have some great stocks. So if you want to understand the system I am having, you can just watch the previous video, that is weekly research series. There you will understand my system investment thesis and how we research the if you like the way I do research, if you understood, if this added value, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's all for today. Hopefully we will meet again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.